In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have as it allows you to transfer data seamlessly and efficiently from a spreadsheet directly into your digital calendar. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to save your Excel file as a CSV or comma separated values format. This is important because Google Calendar doesn't support Excel files directly, but it can read CSV files. To do this, just open your Excel file, go to File at the top menu, select Save As, and from the drop-down menu, choose CSV. Make sure to keep a copy of your original file in Excel format just in case you need to make changes later. Next, navigate over to your Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com. Once there, sign in if you haven't done so already. You should see your calendar appear, and from here you'll need to access the settings to start the import process. To do this, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen for the gear icon, which is Google's universal symbol for settings. Give that a click and in the drop down menu select Settings. Once you're into the settings menu, look at the options listed on the left hand side and find Import and Export. Clicking this will bring up a screen where you can start importing your CSV file. A button labelled Select File from your computer should be right in front of you. Click this button and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your files. Navigate to where you saved your CSV file, click on it, and then click Open. At this point you should see your file listed on the screen, showing that it's ready to be imported. Before you finalize the import, make sure that the correct calendar is selected. This is especially important if you have multiple calendars under your Google account. You can choose the calendar you want from a drop-down menu on the import screen. After double checking your file and calendar choice, go ahead and click on Import. Now, sit back and let Google do its magic. Depending on the size of your file, it may take a few moments, but in no time, your Excel data will be imported into Google Calendar. You'll receive a message confirming the number of events imported, and your calendar will be populated with all the data from your spreadsheet. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to import your Excel information into Google Calendar. Whether you're managing shift schedules, planning projects, or organizing personal commitments, this tool can help bring your data to life in a visual and manageable way. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and guides.